I noticed that I had seborrheic dermatitis from when I was a senior in college. So since then, I had been getting plaques and kind of like redness, excoriation, inflammation of my scalp.
How long has this been going on?
About 15 years.
15 years.
I'm tired. I'm
Yeah.
tired of the flakes. I'm tired of feeling embarrassed. You know, a girlfriend of mine mentioned to me that Curl Box was featuring your product, and honestly, I had never heard of it. And honestly, I wasn't sure at first. I was like, you know, maybe this will just be like the rest of the things that I've tried, and if that's okay, you know. After using the scalp stimulating shampoo, like immediately, it was like this calming sensation over my scalp, and I was like, oh, this is nice. I used to get clumps of hair from my scalp condition. Just after that first use, it probably went down to half. My hair is in such a great condition now, and my scalp.